Hey everybody, Nick here, also known as the Bearded Housewife, and welcome to another Happy Crafty Easter video. Today I have a really fun shadow box for you. This is my Easter tree shadow box. How fun is that design? I love how there's the little eggs hanging from the tree, and it's just really colorful, really fun. I've said this in the past because I have made a card that looks similar to this as an insert card. You can check that out on the website, but it really reminds me of when I was younger and my mom had one of those Easter trees in our hallway that we would hang the eggs from every single year. Just a really fun memory. This shadow box is really easy to put together and I can't wait to show it to you. Before we get started, make sure to hit like and smash that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any paper crafting fun. And with that, let's get into the materials. Okay, for this project you're going to need your Cricut cutting machine, your light grip or standard grip cutting mat, your weeding tool, scraper, brayer, foam squares if you'd like to add some dimension to the different layers, your shadow box, and your cardstock. Now that we know what materials we're going to need, let's go ahead and get started with step 1. Step 1. Get the SVG cut file. This project is part of Happy Crafty Easter 2025. If you're watching this after the event has ended, you can find the individual cut file for purchase in my shop at shop.thebeardedhousewife.com. There's also a link in the description box below. If you're interested in the VIP Access Pass, which gives you all 12 event files, commercial licensing, printable worksheets, video tutorials, and bonus Easter cut files, there's a link for more information in the description box. No matter how you purchase the cut file, make sure to download the file to your computer, unzip the file, and then we can open up Cricut Design Space. Step 2. Upload the design to Cricut Design Space. Now that we have a new project open in Cricut Design Space, we can go ahead and click Upload, Upload Image, and Browse. Find where we downloaded the file onto our computer, click Open, Continue, and Upload. Step 3. Resize the design. And you can see that our project has been brought into our canvas. Now I've sized this design to fit within the inner dimensions of the shadow box that I'll be using, which is 6.5 by 6.5 inches. If you're going to be using this project on a card or in a larger shadow box, you can definitely change the sizing here in the sizing options. Just make sure to leave the proportions locked so you don't distort the design at all. I'm going to go ahead and click Make. And you can see the different mats for this project. Click Continue. I'll be using medium cardstock for this project. I'm going to go ahead and get everything cut out, and I'll see you when it's time to assemble. Step 4. Cut out the design. Step 5. Assemble your project. Okay, so I have everything all cut out, so it's time to go ahead and start to assemble. Now we do have a layering guide within the download that will help visualize how to layer all these different pieces together. But from back to front, you're going to start with the dark pink, light pink, blue, green, yellowish cream, orange, and then brown. Now you can add foam squares behind the different layers if you wish. I would probably do that behind the orange layer and then behind the blue layer and the light pink. However, I'm just going to layer everything inside the shadow box. So I've prepped my shadow box already. I've added the little pins to the backing piece. And now I'm just going to go ahead and start to layer the design. Alright, now I'm going to take my backing piece, attach it to the back, and close up the shadow box. And there we go. Our shadow box is all set. I hope that you like it. What did you think of this shadow box? Isn't the design really fun? I hope that you like it. If you make this project, I hope that you share it with us in our Facebook group. We have thousands of card making and paper crafting friends who love to motivate and support each other, and we would love to see your creations. I have a link down below for you to check it out. That's going to do it for today. I'm Nick. I'm the Bearded Housewife, and I will see you at the next Happy Crafty Easter video. Bye-bye.